Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Now let's select swipe, and now let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, we can go to biometrics, and our first biometric is fingerprint. Add fingerprint and simply scan it on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock. And now simply scan your face via front camera. And now use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.